Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a very long time since I've made a video. So basically I've been traveling and I was caught up because of my college, but finally I'm back on track and here I'm with a huge Nykaa haul. So without further ado, let's get started. Guys, before I begin, I'm really sorry. There will be times when you'll hear noise of traffic because you can see I'm sitting by the balcony and making this video. And yeah, so there's a lot of traffic right now outside, so I'm sorry for that beforehand. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing I got was these tea tree skin clearing facial wipes from Body Shop. I list all the prices below. These are 21 centimeters, 8 inches into 16, and they consist of, I think, there are 25 wipes in this, and they retail for rupees 495. The price is already written, so I'm even mentioning it on the video. So these are how they look. So basically I have oily skin, so tea tree is one thing which is really beneficial, so I decided to get my hands on these wipes. The next thing is this Nykaa Magnolia and White Tea hand and nail cream. I usually do not use a hand and nail cream. I generally apply the moisturizer I use. So this time I wanted to try a hand and nail cream, so I got this one from Nykaa and it smells really great. So the next thing I got is this Dot & Key Acne Defense Green Clay Mask. I've used it once. So this is how it exactly looks. I'm sorry, there's a lot of light. And the packaging is really cute. This is how it looks from the inside, and it comes with a spoon, a small spatula. So the thing about this mask is I've used it once, so I can tell you. I cannot tell you how great is it because I've just used it once. I don't know whether it's good or bad, but it really tightens the skin when you apply it within just a minute or two, and it dries up really fast. So once I start using it more regularly, I'm going to tell you guys how it is. So the next thing I got is this Fuji Green Tea Shower Gel from the Body Shop. It's the 250 ml pack, and this is how it looks. No, there's no specific reason why I got my hands on this. I just wanted to try a new shower gel. So when I bought the wipes, I got this one along with. Okay guys, so the next thing I got is this Maybelline V-Face Duo Stick. So this is how it exactly looks. One side is a contour stick and the other side, actually I do not contour my face. So this is my first, oh my god. This is my first contour stick and it's in the shade 02 medium. I actually had to match the shade along with my sister's shade as well because she also wanted to use this, or else I would go for the shade number 1. So I'm just going to swatch it for you guys. So this is actually a highlighter and this is the contour stick, and I'm just going to swatch it for you guys. So this is how it exactly looks. So this is the highlighting side and this is the contour side. So I generally do not like to sculpt my face at all, but as I do not have a contour stick at all, so I just wanted to have one in my makeup vanity. So yeah, this is why I got this one. Okay guys, so the next thing I got is this Kama Ayurveda Pure Rose Water Face and Body Mist. Actually, I use it as a facial mist only. It's been a long time since I had used a face mist, so I decided to get my hands on this one. It's a very famous facial mist and it smells amazing and it just refreshes your face like crazy, so I really like this one. And this is the 50 ml one, the smallest size which comes. Guys, the next thing I got is this Vadi Herbals Under Eye Cream. This is how it looks. So the reason I got this eye cream is that I've seen many YouTube videos and I've seen many bloggers using it as well. I think it retails for rupees 90 only, but still it is very hyped and I wanted to try it once. So I haven't opened it yet. I'm going to use it and then I'm going to let you guys know how it is. I mean, you know, it's just for rupees 90, but it's very famous. I've seen it in many videos, so I decided to get my hands on it. This is the first eye cream I'm using. Again, I do not have dark circles and so I do not use an eye cream, but I wanted to start using an eye cream and I've heard a lot about this eye cream, so I just wanted to get this one first. Okay guys, so the next thing I got is this Swiss Beauty Prime and Set Primer and Mattifying Setting Powder. Earlier I used to use the NYX NYX setting powder, but I did not like it at all. And if you've been following me since a while, you've seen it in my videos. So this is another new pack. I'm going to use it. And again, this was something I did not want. My sister told me that she's seen this one in a few videos, so she wanted to get her hands on this one. So I'm also just going to give it a try. Okay guys, so the next thing is this Bobbi Brown Crush Lip Color. It's in the shade Cranberry, and this is how it looks. I'm just gonna swatch it for you guys. So this is how the lipstick looks. I am a fan of nude, brownish pink nudes. Though this is a bit dark from the one I actually wanted. I actually wanted to go for a darker brown, but this is more on the pink side. But still, it's a very sexy color. This is the color I'm wearing right now. So you can see how amazing this is, and I've swatched it on my finger as well for you. So it's a very classy color. I mean, this is a type of color which I would generally wear when I'm going for a dinner or a party, but for the first time I've applied it during the daytime, and it looks very sexy. Okay guys, so the last thing is this Body Shop Chamomile Waterproof Eye and Lip Makeup Remover, and the 160 ml bottle. I really like the packaging of this bottle, and as I personally I use the Bioderma makeup remover, the micellar water, but I wanted something more gentle for my eyes and lips, and this is specially curated for the removing makeup from your eyes and lips. So I wanted to give this one a try, and this is a very famous product as well. So yeah. So guys, that's all for today. I hope this video was really helpful, and I'm going to be more regular from now onwards. It's been a long time since I made videos, but I'm going to try to post videos, 1 or 2 videos every week. So I hope to see you guys very soon, and I hope you like this video. Bye bye, and see you. And if you like the video, do like, share, comment and subscribe on the video. Bye bye.